Welcome back. Another start streaming, subscribe, comment, drop a like if you haven't. For some reason, I'm really not in the mood to do algorithm questions. So it's probably because quite inspired to do more Flutter and get good at it. And so today we're going to do the second tutorial of Flutter, which is add interactivity to your Flutter app. So we did a photo app building layouts yesterday. Then we arrive at basically picture in a row and another row and then another patch of text. And today let's add some interactivity to it. Chrome, run it. Just do Arctic Fox. Too slow to use anything, do anything. Turn on jazz. Let's quickly review what we did. In the build, we have a row, the title section. Title section has a row. Then there are columns. And we have a star icon and the 41 number. Button section. I'm a little surprised okay, it's main axis alignments. And then line the call icon, route icon, and share icon. And in each of the icon, there's a column of two things. One is an icon, one's a container which contains a margin and a text of special fonts and sizes. It's the web browser or the emulator. Well, not quite emulator, it's the web browser version of this. And then we have the text section, which is basically text. nothing hard about that. And then one important thing we learned is that instead of minimize it, lagging. In the scaffold, which is basically a shelf, I think, the body, instead of making this a column, like stacking one on top of the other, we make it a list view so that we can scroll. And that's one of the important things we learned. I remember later. That's the app. And if we make it kind of small, we can still scroll through it. Looks pretty good. Let's continue on this new tutorial. Adding interactivity to your Flutter. basically, if you click it, it will if you increment the numbers, so it needs to have stateful. It needs to track the state, which is at 40 or 41 likes at this point. Speaking of which, I forgot to type my ad, subscribe, comment, share, like to my YouTube channel. Boom. Let's just say this state for status. Some of this don't change, like the buttons, the text. Basically, user inputs are stateful widgets. Store in the state object, separating the widget state from its appearance. And the state change is called setState, telling the framework to redraw the widget. That's kind of a weird name. Stateful widget is implemented by two classes. Subclass of stateful widget is a class of state. I don't quite understand the second sentence. Mutable state and the widget's build method are in the state class, and the widget state changes the object calls the set state kind of automatically. But what is it though? Skip the next section, okay, because we did the tutorial. A widget state can be managed in several ways. Toggling the star is an isolated action that does not affect the parent widget or the rest of the UI. Okay, it's very isolated. Affects only one thing. The favorite widget class manages its own state, so it overrides create state to create a state object. The framework calls create state when it wants to build the widgets. What about set state? This should be completely new. guess I copy and paste this. In where? I know where to put it. Wow. It's really very confused. So favorite widget state is a private member of the favorite widget class. Flavor widget class extends state for widget. Inherit. Basically has its all default properties, I guess. Also builds a build method. Like I should not have the. I should get rid of the status thing and. Build as a row. On press is a default function for icon button, I guess. So it takes user actions instead of an icon. Depending on the variable, you either put the star icon or star border icon, which is the empty hollow icon. Guess it has to define toggle favorite next. Text in the size box. Size box. What? calling set called sysday. Calling sysday is critical because this tells the framework that the rigid state has changed and that the rigid should be withdrawn. Someone has access to all the internal properties. What? So where do you put it? Here? The properties and then you use the build. Control itself. And then we need to define the toggle favorite function. Hit behind the build. No errors at least. Swap out the what? Which one of this is creating the stateful widget? Get rid of the icon. Spot. Create a widget here. How do I create a widget? Fave widget. Really? This works, really? Oh. It was a that was that. Welcome back. Oh, that works. Feels good. Feels good. That worked. Let's compare with the example code, see if they have it. We don't understand this stuff. Oh, it's constant too? Okay. What's up, Drum Mail? Welcome back. Hey, I feel like I should separate these sections out to. Well, the sections are kinda okay. The stateful widgets is a little bit more intense, I guess. Okay. Well, that's what we wanted to do. It's good. Identity constant. Gets us a little bit faster, maybe. Okay, next. Managing states. These steps are there. What is the point? Basically, where to track the state. Easiest to put it in the self, which is the parent. User input, put it in the parent. If it's static, just do it in the widget itself. Tab box, tab box, tab box. The container diamond tab toggles between a gray or green color. The active boolean determines whether it should be green or gray. I got ads? Like on Twitch or on Google? I didn't run ad break. Should I? I'm pretty sure I get ads when I because when I log into my own account from another browser, I have to go through like 30 seconds of ads, but not after that. It's like once every login. The widget manages its own state. Sometimes it makes the most sense for the widget to manage its own state. Through this code. Don't know what this is saying. This is tab box A state is a private property of tab box A class, and extends state of tab box A. What the fuck? Default to be false, and then when it's tapped, we need to re-render, and then we need to set the state variable and re-rendered. And view method, I guess we have to detect the gesture, aka tap. And then switch on the text depending on whether the box is active. Which one changes the color? This changes the color. Is this a new thing? Okay, looks like it uses the basic thing again. So create a new one. Let's call it tab box. Domain. Wait, does it have a main? Wow. Just wow. Okay, it has that. Okay, I think these are made to enter this function call. This part is not quite important. We look at this part. Oh. Oh. is this doing? Parent widget to manage and tells the child widget. Tell where the button has been tapped so it can be appropriate action. Tap box B exports the state from parent through a callback. It's a manage state, so it status itself even though it calls for it. That's weird though. Because that's okay, because you don't have to manage it. It's kind of like the variable is set outside of the scope. So parent widget. Default to be false. Then is this a detecting function? What's this line doing? Handle tab box change. On change, they will add this. Don't change. Tap, then you pass the value over. So you flip it. Okay, I don't think this was really. There's no my app here. digits. Mix and match approach makes most sense. In this scenario, say for which you manage some of the state, and the parent manages the rest. Parent manages the active, and that's what happened when the box is tapped. What's the state update? The highlight is for the border, I guess. Gesture detector. What's the difference between these two set states? I guess you have to update highlight. We have parents the same, exactly the same as before. And they require you to change action detector, I guess. State properties. Then inside itself, it handles its own state. It belongs only to tab box C. Private properties highlight. You tap down. Just a highlight update. Just tap up, I don't get it. If there's a tab on change, which will cause the parents method. When I stay in the parent and the active stay internal, why would someone complain? I guess it's like in a team, the developer for the tab box itself do all this highlighting and things, but the architect is telling you that it's true to this behavior. They only tell you the state is true. Is that the reason, maybe? Flutter offers a variety of buttons and similar interactive widgets. Most of these widgets implement the material design guidelines. For you can use gesture detector to build interactability into your widget. You can find examples of machine state. It's like double tap or press peak. Oh. Okay, let's see if we can run this stuff. Tab box B. This was long. Very long. This might overwrite the previous parent one. Yeah, we did. Unchanged. But doesn't when you build it. Should do a parent widget. Okay, I can't really tell what's the difference. See, there's like a border thing. Okay, that works. Oh, that's the second tutorial, adding interactivity to layouts. That's a stream for today. Thanks for watching.